Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Cloud Armor for DDoS and WAF protection. Complete guide step by step clearly. If you don't have an account, create one and sign in. Once you're logged in, locate the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the main navigation menu. In the menu, scroll down to the Security section. Click on Cloud Armor to access the service. You will be redirected to the Cloud Armor dashboard. Click on the Get Started button if this is your first time using the service. Next, you may need to select a project or create a new one. If creating a new project, click on Select a Project and then New Project. Provide a name for your new project and select a billing account if prompted. Now return to the Cloud Armor dashboard. You'll see various options to set up your DDoS and WAF configurations. To start with DDoS protection, click on Security Policies in the sidebar. Then, click on Create Policy. Give your policy a descriptive name. Configure the rules based on your security requirements. You can add rules for allowed IPs, blocked IPs, and more. Once you've configured your rules, click Create. To set up WAF, scroll to the WAF section in the Cloud Armor dashboard. Click on Create Rule Set to begin. Give your rule set a name and configure the necessary rules. Decide on the action to take when a match is found, such as allow or deny. After making your selections, click Save. To enable your policy and rule set, return to the previous screen. Select the policies and rule sets you just created. Click on Apply to activate them. Finally, monitor your Cloud Armor dashboard for real-time data and analytics. Review your settings regularly to ensure optimal protection for your applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.